What if the internet could unlock a 5-year business opportunity for you? Over 800 million Indians are online, with 60% from the middle class, driving a 200 billion digital economy. This isn't just about scrolling, it's a revolution changing how India's middle class dream and build wealth. Stick with me to uncover how and why you can't afford to miss this. Rewind to 2000, B2B sales meant cold calls and trade shows, and middle class dreams were about stable jobs. Today, the internet has flipped that mindset. I think of my friend Neha, a middle class kid from Pune who ditched a corporate job after discovering online B2B platforms and built a consultancy. This is a story of history, controversy, and a massive business impact. How the internet is transforming India's 400 million strong middle class into entrepreneurs. Let's dive in. First, knowledge. A decade ago, middle class Indians relied on local institute for skills, and now platforms like Unacademy, HubSpot Academy are game changers. 70% of Indian internet users watch educational content daily. Take HubSpot's founder, Brain and Dharmesh, middle class dreamers who built a B2B giant using inbound marketing. Controversy? EdTech get overwhelmed with options, but it's shifting mindsets from jobs to startup. Want to be a smarter founder? Learn digital skills online to fuel your ambition. Here's a stunner. India's e-commerce market, including B2B, will hit 200 billion by 2026, led by the middle class. Platforms like Amazon Business and Meesho empower entrepreneurs like Anil, a Jaipur shopkeeper who scaled his B2B handicraft sales to 15 lakhs yearly. A business angle, e-commerce has created 7 million jobs since 2015. Zerodha, founder by middle-class brothers Nitin and Nikhil Kamath, revolutionized investing with 360 million monthly UPI users. Controversy, ads often fail to convert. 80% of B2B ads miss their mark. Want inbound success? Sell smarter with e-commerce. Social media is a massive. 500 million Indians are on LinkedIn and Instagram. It's not just for fun, it's a global exposure for B2B. A startup founder in Lucknow sees Gong.io sales tips and thinks, I can pitch like that. Controversy, social media ad fails 60% of the time, wasting budgets. Yet it's empowering, like Ria, who used LinkedIn to land 2 CR B2B client for her agency. Business impact and cultural shift. The internet's impact is huge. 1 lakh startups in 2015 like Zomato, founded by a middle class dreamer, adding 8 lakh CR to India's economy. B2B pipelines are booming. But controversy alert, hustle culture burns out 60% of founders. From job security to risk taking, want to be a smart founder, use platforms like Upwork for global B2B gigs. But balance hustle with health. And the final insight, build your future, not burnout. The internet is rewriting India's middle class dream from education to B2B empire. It's a mindset revolution. Don't miss out on your 5 CR client opportunity in this digital way. What's your best B2B hack for success? Share it in your comments to join our community for savvy founders. Like, subscribe and hit that bell for more strategies to grow your business and revenue.